Hey guys, John here, Vapor Honing Technology today. Want to talk about how to keep your vapor honing cost at a minimum or keep your costs down. And one of the easiest ways to do that is to watch and to use your abrasive in your cabinet efficiently. Abrasive is going to be one of your most costly items, and most costly in that they all cost different amounts. Glass beads are normally around $1 per pound. Ceramic beads go way up, $5, $10, $20, $30 per pound, maybe even more with the finer stuff. Your aluminum oxides, silicon carbides, $2 and $3 a pound-ish normally. But the way to keep those costs down, or to keep that abrasive in the cabinet, keep that abrasive as healthy and as clean as long as possible. That's how you're gonna keep your costs down. And that's one biggie. You might be thinking, well, how do I keep my abrasive cleaner longer? Well, that just comes down to actually what you're doing pre-vapor honing. So are you parts washing? Are you doing any parts washing at all before you put those parts into a vapor honing cabinet? I strongly recommend, as an avid vapor honing user, that you pre-wash your parts before you put them in a vapor honing cabinet. Something as simple as using our Hydroblast parts washer, or a manual scrub tank, or an automatic parts washer, something to quickly get off the bulk of the grease and the oil. This will help keep your cabinet cleaner and healthier longer. That way you don't have to clean your cabinet as often. The cleaner it stays, the happier it's going to be, the less smelly it's going to be, and of course, the less abrasive you're going to use over time. Now, there are some jobs where your abrasives are just going to break down quicker. You're using higher pressures. Maybe it's a very aggressive operation where you're stripping or prepping for coatings. Those are things you just can't control. But the times that you can control those things, definitely make sure you keep that machine healthier and cleaner longer. So that's one big tip. Of course, the next big tip is to check for air leaks in your air system. Nobody tells you this, but the #1 cause of energy usage in a shop or in an industrial facility like we have here would be air leaks. Air leaks cost thousands, tens of thousands of dollars per year, because your compressor comes on and it goes off even when you're sleeping if you haven't turned your unit off. So check for air leaks. That will help keep your costs down and keep your costs lower so you can make more money. Hope this helped for you guys. If you guys have questions, call or email the sales team. They're always here and happy to help. As always, thanks for watching.